Memorials rise in stone, but some souls were never meant for stone. A statue may stand, yet it cannot carry the weight of a hero's truth. This is for the one no monument could ever match. Build the statues, let them stand tall. But know this, no stone, no sculpture, no carved name can ever rise to Hachalu's grace. Our hero's real statues lies, not in stones, in his peoples, because the truest memorial is not built by hands. It lives in truth and in the hearts that refuse to forget.